Hello everyone, welcome back to Math with Us. In this video, we are going to focus on how to factorize a polynomial when difference of two squares are there. I have taken few examples, let us solve them. Now for factoring the polynomial where difference of two squares are there, we have to take the square root of both the term and then we have to write in the form of sum and the difference. So in the first example, the square root of a square will be a and square root of b square will be b, and then we have to write it in the form of sum and difference. So a plus b and a minus b. Now the second example also, for the second example also we have to take the square root of first and the second term. So here square root of 25x square is 5x and square root of 1 is 1, and then we have to write it in the form of sum and difference. So 5x plus 1 and 5x minus 1. Now for the third example also, we have to take the square root of both the terms and then we have to write in the form of sum and difference. So square root of 16x square is 4x and square root of 49y square is 7y. So here we have to write it in the form of sum and difference. So 4x plus 7y and 4x minus 7y. Now for the fourth example, we have to first factorize, we have to find out the first common factor between them. So for 8a square and minus 18b square, we have 2 as a common factor. So we write 2 outside and we are left with 4a square minus 2 times 9 is 18. So here 9b square. Now here we see that again this 4a square minus 9b square is in the form of difference of two perfect squares. So we have to further factorize it as by taking their square root and then placing their sum and difference. So here these two remain as it is, and this square root of 4a square is 2a and 9b square is 3b. So here we have to write here in the form of sum. So 2a plus 3b and 2a minus 3b. Now for the fifth example, here we see that both are the perfect squares. So if we take the square root of a with the power of 4, we get a square, and this the square root of b with the power of 4, we get b square. So we have to write it here in the form of sum and difference. So a square plus b square and a square minus b square. Now we can't do anything for this a square plus b square, so as it is. But here we observe that this is again in the form of difference of two perfect square. So we have to take the square root and then we have to write in the form of sum and difference. So here we get a minus b and a plus b. In this way, you can factor the polynomial which are having difference of two perfect squares. I hope this is useful to you. Please like and share the video and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.